So in the previous video we have seen how the pipes is working in our Angular application, and we have seen the example on applying the pipe on string values, uppercase, lowercase, in numeric and in date format, and we can also apply the pipe on the format like JSON and splicing, and so many ways you can. There are so many other pipes are available. Now in this video we are going to learn how one can create the custom pipes in Angular. So custom pipes is nothing but a pipe that will take some input and transform it before sending it to the view, just like these available pipes were working. So right now we are going to create a custom pipe that will take an input string and transform it before sending it to the view. We will simply print the name. If the name value is blank, then it will print no name. If available, then it will print the name as it is. So let us go ahead, open app.module.ts and add your pipe. So we are giving it a name value pipe, and we have to define the corresponding class. So there is a method called transform that will execute, and it will take an input value that is your original value in which you are going to apply the pipe, and this particular value defines an optional value that you will give if some condition is not satisfied. Here in our case, your value will be like given in date, and your pipe will be like, your name value pipe will be like here, and your default value will be like here. Save this. Let us go name equals to Harry, and I am saying default name will be no name is available. Let me close this and run again. We forget to add the export. Let us see the output. So it is showing Harry. We have given in the name as Harry. Now let us give it a blank. So it is printing no name is available. If I am giving the name, then it is going and printing the name, and if I am giving blank, then it is going ahead and printing no name is available. So when you put the breakpoint over here and reload, then you will find your name value will be blank, and when it is blank, then it is sending no name is available, and when it is having some value, then it is sending Harry. So in this way you can perform transformation of numeric, alphabetical and other object format, and you can transform on the basis of your condition. Thank you so much. So in the previous video we have seen how the pipes is working in our Angular application, and we have seen the example on